Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Splunk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Splunk, first, download the Splunk installer from the official website. Choose the version that matches your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. During the installation, you may be prompted to select an installation type. Choose the default option for most users, unless you have specific requirements. After installation, launch the Splunk application. You will be greeted by the Splunk setup screen. At this point, you can create an administrator account. Enter a username and a strong password for your admin account. Once your information is entered, click Next to continue. You may see an option to enable the user experience improvements. Decide whether to enable this feature based on your preference. Next, the system will prompt you to select a license type. Choose the appropriate license for your needs. Once your selections are made, click Next to move forward. After a brief configuration process, the Splunk web interface will launch. You can now log in using the admin credentials you created earlier. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You're now ready to start indexing your data in Splunk. To do this, click on Add Data from the dashboard. Follow the prompts to select the data source you wish to add. Complete the steps according to your data source type. After adding your data, review the index settings. Finally, start exploring the powerful features of Splunk. You have successfully activated Splunk and are ready to analyze your data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.